A very good morning, my dear children. We have started chapter 14, Changes in Our Environment. In the previous class, we discussed how the changes in the environment take place continuously, and all the things which are present in our environment are directly or indirectly affected by each other. It is the human being who is continuously going on bringing changes in the environment, and because of this, the environment is being harmed directly or indirectly. We discussed how the growing population and its increasing demands for several needs are going on damaging the environment, leading to the water pollution, the land pollution. We are clearing up the forests to build buildings, houses, factories. We are using more and more vehicles on the road, due to which the amount of carbon dioxide is being increased in the environment, which is leading to several problems. Today we will discuss about the effect of too much of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which is leading to too much of greenhouse effect. But at first you must know what is greenhouse effect. So today we will discuss about the greenhouse effect. Students, please turn to page number 128. We have to discuss the greenhouse effect. Our atmosphere is a thick layer of air around the earth. All of you are aware of it. The earth is surrounded by a thick layer of invisible blanket of air, which is called the atmosphere. What does the earth's surface do? The earth's surface traps the sun's energy and becomes warm. All of you know the source of heat and light energy for the earth is the sun. So the earth's surface receives the sun's energy, and then the earth's surface becomes warm. When the surface cools, it releases the heat back into the air. After the surface of the earth becomes cool, the heat of the earth's surface, because of the heat, the hot air, it goes up into the air. All of you know hot air is light in weight. So when the hot air blows, the hot air rises up into the atmosphere. Then what does the atmosphere do? The atmosphere does not allow this hot air, this heat, to escape out entirely into the space. The atmosphere does not let this heat to go into the space. So what happens? Some of the gases, all of you know, air is a mixture of a number of gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, and many other gases. But these two gases, carbon dioxide and water vapor, they trap some of this heat into themselves. So what happens? The heat which is being released from the earth's surface, it does not go, all the heat does not go to the space. Some of the heat is trapped by the carbon dioxide and water vapor which are present in the atmosphere. And this process, this natural process goes on continuously, which is called greenhouse effect. And this greenhouse effect is occurs continuously by some of the gases like carbon dioxide and water vapor. And due to this greenhouse effect, the earth's atmosphere is warmed. Okay, that is why, because these gases, they are trapping the heat of the earth's surface, the heat which is escaping to the space. It is not being directed to the space entirely, but some of the heat is absorbed by these greenhouse gases. And so in this way, this greenhouse effect is keeping the Earth's surface warm. And carbon dioxide, water vapor cause this effect are known as greenhouse gases. Since these gases, they cause greenhouse effect, so these gases are called greenhouse gases. Some other gases like methane, ozone and nitrous oxide, they also do the same thing. They also cause greenhouse effect, so they are also called greenhouse gases. But the major role of this effect is done by these two gases, carbon dioxide and water vapor. But what is going on when we have so many vehicles on the road, we have factories which are releasing carbon dioxide into the air, the smoke which is coming out from the vehicles contains carbon dioxide. So the amount of carbon dioxide is also being increased into the air. And so all of you know that the carbon dioxide traps the heat of the sun. If the amount of carbon dioxide increases in the atmosphere, what will happen? More amount of heat will be absorbed and the temperature will grow. The temperature will rise up. The temperature of the Earth's surface will rise up because there is more and more carbon dioxide present in the air because of the carelessness of human activities, and due to which what will happen, the Earth's surface will have higher temperature and it will lead to several problems which we will read about later in this chapter. And after this we will be studying about each of the greenhouse gases in details. All of you please go through this video once again. Give a reading to the chapter till I have explained you. I hope greenhouse effect is now clear to you. We will discuss about each of the greenhouse gases in the next class, and also we will discuss this diagram which is there on page number 128. As you can see in the diagram, it explains you the greenhouse effect, how the heat has been trapped by the greenhouse gases. You can see here the heat from the sun is being received from the Earth's surface, and then after the Earth's surface is cooled down, the hot air, the heat is being released up, which is not being allowed to go into the space, and they are trapped by the gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, etc. So for today it's over. Write the worksheet that has been sent to you in the group and do your work neatly. Thank you and have a nice day.